Well, so in this tutorial we'll just cover how to create a new vault. So go to search and from there select SOLIDWORKS PDM administration. Okay, and in this I'll just select the server first, add the server and select the local server which is available with respect to your computer name or laptop name. Once you do it, just right click on the server and just select create new vault, and here it will ask this wizard, say next, and here you just select the SOLIDWORKS PDM professional vault and name the vault, let's say this, and you can add the description over there. Whatever the description you want, you can add it up. Once you define your description, go ahead with next option. Here you just choose the default archive folder and say next, and here it will ask for the SQL server. Just select your laptop name or the local server which is available over there and just say next, and here it will ask you for the SQL admin password, but this is wrong, so I need to change it here. So this is SA and password is this. Once you define the next, it shows the database is already existed. The thing was the previously created vault I have deleted, but it is still available into SQL. So I need to access the SQL first. Go to SQL server, just search in Windows and type SQL Server Management Studio. That you add your admin password to connect it, right? Once you connect, you'll get database over there. Just select that database option and it'll be having all the data which has previously created. You can select that particular name and you can delete it. These all are the backups, so if you want to get the backup, you can directly come and get the backup. So I have just ordered it over there, and once you define it, come back to this and just say next. This name will be taken into account, and now set the language and set the date format and just select use default admin password. No, this time we will deal with the admin password and just confirm the password. So if you forgot the password, we do have the option to change it. So right now I'll choose the configuration as default. You can define it empty and set everything manual, but right now I'll keep everything default. I'll say next. Well, now it will create your vault with respect to your name. So once your vault is ready, you can create the local vault. I'll explain that one into the next session. So in this particular session we have just covered how to create the vault. So as you could see, once you create it, below just buffer drive, you'll get your newly created vault, which will pop up once the installation is done. Click on close. If you won't get it, you just click on refresh, you'll get the same, right? So as you could see, this is your vault and all the things are available. So now here to create local view, just select it and define the location here. Let's say this is my location. Select the folder, and this will ask the question to access for all users. Say yes. So now your local vault will be created, local file, and here you can add your CAD files and work on it.